Let's make super creamy, super delicious Paneer Butter Masala. But before we begin, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to Ready Steady Eat. In a pan, add in butter and oil and mix it until the butter melts. Now add in bay leaves, cloves and mix it well. Let's add chopped onions and saute it until it turns light brown. Now add in ginger garlic paste, chopped green chillies and saute it. Now add in Kashmiri red chilli powder, a dash of water and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add in chopped tomatoes and cook it until it becomes mushy, just like this. Let's add in paneer cubes, salt to taste and mix it well. Add in a bit of water and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add dried fenugreek and mix well. Turn off the flame and add in cream and mix it well. Our delicious Paneer Butter Masala is ready to serve. Let's garnish it with some fresh cream and a sprig of coriander. Wasn't this so easy to make? I'm sure you will love this recipe, so do try it out and don't forget to leave a comment below.